This video will show you how to use the content camera. Step 1. Set the content camera. Before using the content camera, you need to set the UVC-30 camera as the content camera mode on both the Yealink Room Connect plugin and Microsoft Teams app. Navigate to More, Settings. Enter the administrator password, and the default administrator password is SFB. Select Windows Settings. Select Administrator from the bottom left corner. Enter the administrator password, and the default administrator password is SFB, and then sign in. Run the Yealink Room Connect plugin. Select the desired UVC-30 camera. Navigate to Advanced, Others. Enable the content camera mode. Save the change. Exit the plugin. Sign in as a Skype user. Navigate to More, Settings. Enter the administrator password, and the default administrator password is SFB. Select Peripherals. Select Yealink UVC-30 camera from the drop-down menu of Content Camera. Tap Save and Exit. Step 2. Use the content camera. During a meeting, tap Start Presenting to share the whiteboard content to remote parties. Tap Stop Presenting to stop presenting.